A very good morning to you all. So, student, today we will start our chapter number 2. That is your half yearly chapter. Okay. Its chapter number is 2 and chapter name is Introduction to Microsoft Access. First of all, we have to know what is Microsoft Access. It means this is a program of Microsoft. That's why name is Microsoft Access. And here this is used for database purpose, means storing the data in program is called Microsoft Access, okay, or we can say the database. A database basically is a collection of data stored and accessed electronically. अगर हम किसी डेटा को स्टोर कर रहे हैं और उसको इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली एक्सेस कर रहे हैं इज कॉल्ड द database. So Microsoft Access is a database management system, or we can say DBMS, used to create, manipulate and organize a database. किस लिए यूज होता है बेटा ये? DBMS is used to create, manipulate and organize the databases. हम उसको create भी कर सकते हैं, manipulate भी कर सकते हैं, organize भी कर सकते हैं. According to our needs, we can change and we can use different types of tasks. Let us learn the use of Microsoft Access to create a database and to perform different operations on it. Clear? Let's start. First of all, what is database? A database is a collection of data. Means जहाँ पर बहुत सारा डेटा रखा हुआ है उसका कलेक्शन किया हुआ होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डेटाबेस. It is a computer program that stores information in a specified order, is used to store different types of data such as text, numbers, pictures, sounds, videos, etc. Means आप किसी भी डेटा को किसी स्पेसिफाइड ऑर्डर में सेव कर रहे हो. आपने घर पे भी देखा होगा कि जितना भी आपका घर का सामान होता है वो एक स्टोर रूम में, कबर्ड में, अलमीरा में सेव होता है. आप उसको वहाँ पे स्टोर करके रखते हो. लाइक आपकी ग्रोसरीज अलग अलमीरा में होती हैं, आपके क्लोथ्स अलग अलमीरा में होते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट यू आर managing all these things in a storeroom. Same like these types of database we store in the database, we can see the computer system with the help of the program, which is program name is MS Access. The particular program we are using here MS Access, right? So database is what is, first of all database is a collection of multiple files जहाँ पर आपकी different files रखी होती हैं, tables रखे होते हैं, means the tables and records, these are called database. अपना डेटा घर पर हम अपना सामान कैसे अपना स्टोर करते हैं, किस फॉर्म में स्टोर करते हैं? इन अ स्टोर रूम, इन अलमीरा, इन कबर्ड, इन शेल्फ. So this is the form of the at home, but in a system, computer system, we store the all type of data in a tabular format, table की form में, files की form में and records की form में, and these are totally called databases. Fine. File. First of all, file is a collection of all records. Files क्या होते हैं बेटा? आप अगर आप इसे हार्ड कॉपी की फॉर्म में शो करो तो हार्ड कॉपी में क्या होता है? फाइल्स में आपके डिफरेंट टाइप्स के रिकॉर्ड्स आप उसके अंदर मेंटेन करके रखते हो. लाइक आपकी मार्कशीट होती हैं, आपके रिपोर्ट कार्ड होते हैं जो आपने अब तक जितना भी आपने स्टडी किया है उसकी क्लासेस वाइज आपको सब मेंटेन करके रखे हुए होते हो. दीज आर कॉल्ड फाइल्स. एंड इन द computer system it is called records, or we can say the records collection in the file. Okay. Table, it is a collection of fields and records, means जहाँ पर आपके rows और column किसी फॉर्म किसी फाइल में स्टोर होते हैं, मीन्स टेबल फॉर्मेट में होते हैं. इट्स कॉल्ड द टेबल. Field and column. Field and columns refer to the column which contains meaningful information. मीन्स उसका कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन निकल रहा हो, उसका कुछ मीनिंगफुल इंफॉर्मेशन होता है. समथिंग लाइक you are storing the marks of a student's marks you want to store in a table, and student 1, student 2, student 3, these all are the particular meaningful information is recorded in the column form. These are called fields, or we can say columns. Records. Particular one student all type of information is stored in a row. It is a collection of created fields. Fields. Student 1, student 2, student 3. All student 1 all type of subject numbers is stored in a row. Is called a record, or we can say row or tuple. So these are all the information of databases. I hope you understand. Database is a collection of data. Okay, don't be confused in databases and data. Data is a small type of quantity, and the database is a collection of data. जहाँ हम means you can say something like the papers in a file is called data, and the file is called database. Clear? Fine. Next is over here. You can see here something like this structure is a form of MS Access. Okay, we have here's the title bar, there is a ribbon, and this is the format of MS Access. Here we are learning about the images only, and in next video we will discuss our practical work also, so that you can easily learn and easily doing the practical at your home also. Okay, fine. So here's a table format. ID means your unique ID. You can say the primary key also. First name, last name, and you can move to the next field by the help of tab file. Tab key. Tab key से आप इसको next to next move करते रहो. Clear? Next is over here database management system. So we have learned already data, database, and here's database management system. Means database management system is DBMS in the short form. DBMS is a software for creating and managing a database. अब जो database को manage और create करने का जो work होता है वो किसका होता है? Database management system. Means इसको पूरा जो manage कर रहा है, जिसको background में इसको पूरे manage कर रहा है, इसको create कर रहा है, इसमें manipulation कर रहा है, it's called the database management system. Okay, it provides a systematic way to insert, retrieve, and modify the data within a database. How? Suppose we have a huge amount of data in a database, and what we want only one student record. How we can easily find within a second the particular student data? How? If we have so many files in a database, we can't understand which one is the correct information what we want. We have to the systematic way. What we have? We have a systematic way to insert and retrieve also the data within a database. हम किसी भी information को easily निकाल सकते हैं, easily retrieve कर सकते हैं या insert कर सकते हैं particular information with the help of DBMS only. DBMS is basically a collection of programs that allows user to store, modify, and extract the information from a database with the help of queries. बेटा कैसे हम इसको सब वर्क को करते हैं? With the help of queries, insert and retrieve and modify also. These all are work done by the help of queries. It is an immediate layer between application program and the data. ये एक layer आप एक से कह सकते हैं, इसके बीच में मीडिएटर है जिसके थ्रू आप इजीली इसको मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हो. द मोस्ट पॉपुलर DBMS आर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस, MySQL, Oracle, DBS, etc. Here we are using the Microsoft Access only. Next is, you can see in the picture we have an application, user, application, one more. This is the application interface. मीन्स जो एप्लीकेशन और DBMS के बीच में इंटरफेस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड APIs, एप्लीकेशन इंटरफेस. So this is the system where application and user can interact the DBMS, and these all are data stored in a form of DB, means database. Okay, fine. Next is advantages of DBMS. Advantages of DBMS से हाँ मतलब क्या है? Means what are the helpful targets, or we can say the points which is helping to us by the using of DBMS. First of all, it controls data redundancy. Suppose we have a one student which record is already stored in a database, and we don't know it is a number of 1, it is on the number of 1, and at the time of 10 position we are using to store same information again without knowing that it is stored earlier or not. It can these data cannot store again because of it controls always the redundancy also. मीन्स ये पूरा डेटा को ऐसे सर्च करता है कि इसमें कोई भी डुप्लीकेसी नहीं हो सकती. डुप्लीकेसी अगर सेम टारगेट हो सेम डेटा होगा तो वो हमें बताएगा यू वांट टू स्टोर द सेम डेटा अगेन, so that the data redundancy is controlled by the help of DBMS. Maintains data consistency. कितना डेटा कहाँ होना चाहिए इसको भी ये मेंटेन करता है, मीन्स कंसिस्टेंसी को भी उसकी मेंटेन करता है. Ensures data security also and access authorization. मीन्स अगर कोई डेटा इस तरह का है कि आप उसको हाइड करना चाहते हो, उसे प्राइवेसी लगाना चाहते हो, यू कैन इजीली पुट द सिक्योरिटी कोड. ओके, data sharing, yes, you can easily share the data with the help of DBMS. Enforces is user defined rules. आप किसी भी यूजर ने अगर कोई रूल्स बनाया उसको डिफाइन उसके लिए आप इन्फोर्स कर सकते हो, मीन्स आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग अपने रूल्स को भी फॉलो करा सकते हो. सेंट्रलाइज स्टोरेज डेटा, मीन्स आप इसका डेटा का जो सेंट्रलाइज पॉइंट है, मीन्स आप कहीं सेंट्रलाइज पोजिशन पे आप इसको डेटा को रख सकते हो दैट सो दैट easily all persons can retrieve the data. Automatic and intelligent backup and recovery procedures means automatically और इंटेलिजेंसी से आप इसके बैकअप को रख सकते हो और उसकी रिकवरी को भी प्रोसीड कर सकते हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज ओवर हियर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस 2016. आप यहाँ पे हमें कौन सा एक्सेस पढ़ना है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस 2016. दिस इज द वर्जन नंबर. Microsoft Access, commonly known as MS Access, is a short form of Microsoft Access and is a relational database management system. ये क्या है आपका RDBMS. What is here RDBMS? We have already learned DBMS, DB and DBMS also, but what is RDBMS here? It is developed by Microsoft. RDBMS is based on relational model. Relational means we can put the relation also. It stores data in the form of tables, queries and records, and it is the most popular database management system, ideal for handling complex database structure. मीन्स कितने भी database को easily वो handle कर सकता है, उसके structure को handle कर सकता है. and the focus form में इसमें data store होता है table form में and fields and records की form में. So this is called RDBMS of Microsoft Access 2016. Next is here, what is the interfaces? Means जो आपको Windows शो होती है उस पर क्या क्या interfaces शो होता है. Microsoft Access has the following user interface. It consists of the different elements as discussed. Quick access toolbar first of all means जो आपकी quickly access कुछ tabs ऐसे होते हैं जो आप quickly बार बार उसको use कर रहे होते हैं. Are putting in the form of quick access toolbar. Next is title bar, where all tabs will be available. Ribbon is the all types of tabs which is put in the title bar. Under the title bar, we all are present in the form of ribbon. Document tab, where we put the documents and showing the document numbers. For document tab, navigation page, we can navigate all the panels by the help of navigation pane. Records also and search also. Status bar, when we can say or we can see the file number of the MS Access. See here, these all things are present here. Ribbon, this is context tab जहाँ पे आपका context show होता है. This is called ribbon, where all the tabs are putting here. Active window means जो window आपकी खुली हुई है is called active window. नेक्स्ट इज ओपन प्रोजेक्ट, आपने किस प्रोजेक्ट को ओपन किया हुआ है इज कॉल्ड ओपन प्रोजेक्ट. दिस इज नेविगेशन पेन, दिस इज स्टेटस बार, आपका स्टेटस यहाँ पर शो रहा होता है, मीन्स आपने किस स्टेटस पे वर्क कर रहे हो शोइंग ओवर हियर. दिस इज टास्क पेन, which task you want to perform, and you can see the table also available over this pan. Okay, this is the all types of Windows description, or you can say the format of the user interface. Okay, so let's start about how to start with the Microsoft Access. First of all, you have to know how we can start the MS Access. Beta, here we are learning by the only theory purpose. In next video, we will discuss our practical work also. So first of all, getting started with Microsoft Access. To start with Access, follow any of these methods. आप कोई भी method को use कर सकते हो. Click on Start button first of all. All application access will be available all there. Any of these methods you can click on. Next is click Start and you can type the Access 2000. Sorry, you can click on Access 2016. Again, next method is type Access 201016 means 2016 in search box. Search bar में आप इसको लिखोगे and press the enter key. Microsoft Access will be opened. Okay, thank you.